advantages of the present form of periodic.
I think we have not written the advantage. No, advantage missing. Last time we have done
Sir,
only the.
disadvantage also should be learned, sir.
Then you know the advantage of the table. What is the advantage?
Sir, it's like we can easily remember the elements with their properties.
Right. It relates the position of element. Note down quickly. We'll just wind up. Today we'll just do the last topic and finish the periodic classification.
The topic over, sir. Inorganic, this periodic classification.
Classification over. Only
Sir,
advantage.
Chemical bonding, no, sir.
Array, trends is left, na? Trends is not there.
Oh, trend is final.
There are two topics. One is classification, one is trends. Classification over trends.
So we have to do periodic properties after periodic classification.
Sir, can you write with thick pen, sir, please, sir?
Which
Size 3, sir. Who is
one?
very light,
Sir,
sir.
write with something else than yellow, sir. Yellow, it's not even looking nice.
Sir, white also it's looking nice, sir.
Okay, white. Okay.
White is also okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, white size 3, sir. It's good in size also, sir.
This one.
Yes, sir. It's nice,
but if
sir. I like
someone
that
wants
thing
to
only.
convert into PDF, they won't be able to do properly.
Okay.
No, it can come.
It is okay.
I know to do.
No, is it okay?
Yes, sir. It's very big, sir. That's why. Because sometimes it's very small. I can't understand handwriting, sir.
Okay. As your wish, whatever your wish is there.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, your so point is more considerable. So write down this. All these are learned by heart points. More.
Sir, problems in this chapter we won't discuss now, sir. This is organics.
This is inorganic chemistry. Okay. No. Problem will come. Okay. Problem will come.
Sir,
but
problem will come very little bit, sir. Physical chemistry only they are telling problem will come more.
In physical chemistry, you will get numerical. Here we will get a different type of problems. Okay, I will give you problem, but it is very easy only because it is just
sir,
like
when will you teach any topic in physical, sir?
Wait. Physical, almost I finished all topics. Okay,
Even chemical bonding is inorganic, no, sir?
Yes. Even chemical bonding is inorganic.
Physical only we did first, no, sir, before doing inorganic.
Sir, can we learn some special elements and compounds?
Some special element
compound. Sir, we also did a bit of organic, sir.
Wait. Let me finish the chemical bonding before the Junior Science Olympiad. Then after the Junior Science Olympiad, I will again start the your physical chemistry. Okay.
Sir, thermodynamics also will come in physical, no, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, we are going to finish thermodynamics, sir.
Thermodynamics. Okay, let us finish this first this topic. Because thermodynamics I finished for the Olympiad level in class itself. Okay, so some people were
thermodynamics. After this, we'll do some other chapters of thermodynamics.
Yes. I think how many points are there? Oh my God, 8 points are there. 2 over. Book it down. The
sir, you can write very fast, sir. Now only what happened, sir, in my OneNote, it took 1.3 GB, sir. So I deleted all the notes and then I uninstalled OneNote and then I installed, sir.
Oh, wait, because 1 GB.
Yes, sir. What to do, sir? Even if you check in your storage, OneNote will take more, sir.
Then you think it how I manage it.
Yes, sir. But if you can go to storage settings in your laptop, then you can check, sir. There's so much GB, sir. I think for you all it will take 2 GB, sir.
Yes. I have
2
to write.
GB is no problem, sir. OneNote has up till 1 TB, sir.
1 TB. No, one not having only
5.3 GB only.
Sir, for me it's showing 1 TB is 1 TB. Nothing is there, sir, in my OneNote.
1 TB means
1 TB
your whole laptop has 1 TB, 1 terabyte.
Not my laptop, sir, in my OneNote.
No. So Microsoft giving only this one. Your
5.3 GB only.
5.3 GB. Yes, not more than that. Okay.
Sir, we can buy, sir, if we have a license.
Yes, sir. I have a license, I think.
Yes.
Even I have
with license and without license, sir. I have license, so it's showing 1 TB.
Yes, it's showing 1 TB. Okay, I don't have license. your
Sir,
parents might.
but we are getting free version now, sir. If we have already Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, means we can easily get this OneNote, sir.
Yes. It is free version only 5.3 something there. Not 5, I think 5 GB only.
But they are all saying 5.3 GB available in OneNote when you start.
Okay, no problem. But 5.3 GB immediately finished now.
Yes, sir. Because I think in Create Notebooks, I think you have many
Sir,
notebooks.
it says like
See,
if you
for
want,
me, I removed so many things. Okay, I don't keeping. That's why I'm keeping
so
most of
there's
the
an
file.
option which says upgrade, like it's something like premium.
No. Premium is.
It'll give you 1 TB space and it's called some Office 365 license, sir.
Yes.
Office means we should pay money every year.
Not every year. You can
No,
buy
sir, I
it
paid
and
only
buy it.
once, sir. Some 16,000
No.
or something for the whole family they paid, sir.
So who will pay? Tell me. Who will
Hey,
pay?
that's
Sir, they're giving permanent license, sir.
Now then you have to pay with that amount. Now not 50,000. They'll take per year charges.
Only
no,
one
sir,
time payment,
permanent,
sir.
sir. One-time payment, sir.
So
One time
That
payment,
will
they're
take
giving 5
many rupees.
license.
They are telling like for 1 year, 1 year means we can pay every year, but for completely we should pay like 21,000 like that.
So
Not
for
like
me,
that
they
and
asked
all.
only
Hey,
16,000, sir.
hey, for one person they will ask like only 3,300 to 3,000.
Sir, I'm telling family, sir. For family license, they costed only 16,000.
Yes. That's correct only. Fitje purchased the license. Fitje purchased it.
Sir, for me itself, my
If I
father
will
is
use the
offering
Fitje.
giving a license for everything, sir. Fiji won't give you, sir.
Sorry?
Fiji won't give you licenses, sir. Like
Fitje,
the Microsoft license.
no, Fitje. If I will use the Fitje license, then you can't see the all notes, right? If I will use the
Sir,
Fitje,
you can give access to OneNote to that.
No. If I give access also, you can't get it. Can you see this one? It is a Fitje only. This one is Fitje only.
Yes, sir.
So, in Fitje license, I already I created the batch also. In this batch also, I posted all the notes, but even I gave the access also by sharing, but you are not getting. That's why I removed. Okay. Otherwise,
Actually got, sir.
You got access
Sir,
here.
can you, sir, see, sir, how many notebook you have, sir? I think you came to your limit, sir.
Limit. This note I can't keep in my own ID. Okay, I can't keep it
So you
because I
can
have only
store
5.
it in Google Drive, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
I have.
Google Drive also it will be some limit.
Google Drive also we have. For free
Google
accounts, we
Drive.
have 100 GB free, sir.
How many times I will do that? Okay. This is also a problem now.
Sir, Drive also, I think you will put your personal things now, sir. How can you put your things?
Yes.
It will be difficult. Why should you use your account, sir? Maybe we could create 2 to 3 accounts, sir. Then we can put all our notes, sir.
I have
How
already.
many accounts will you create and remember the password?
That's what we can keep in our laptop. There is notes.
So
Now
if
we
you
can keep our
want,
password
sir,
and
if there is
email
no
there.
space in your laptop, you can store in hard disk.
Yes, sir. Nice idea. Hard drive you buy one, sir.
But again, I have to join every time now. Hard drive joining, removing.
Sir, how many
yes,
years
sir.
has this laptop been
Sir,
for
you
you,
can
sir?
do like every month you can upload it in your laptop, sir. At the end of each month, you can upload it in your hard disk and then you can delete it.
I don't have that much time to do all this work. Okay.
Yeah, Amanda. He hasn't.
These are the clerical jobs.
We are free, but he and all he has class more every time.
Sir, this laptop yours has been for you since 2 years or like that. How many years, sir?
And I'm using laptop for more than 4 years. Right? I'm using it.
Same
Laptop is
laptop.
very old. Same laptop. Okay.
So
How can you
touchscreen
keep
laptop.
this much old laptop, sir? It will take more storage now, sir. So you should clear all file.
Yes, I have to remove all files.
So 4 years before there was touchscreen laptop, sir.
4 years. 4 years old. No, my laptop is not touchscreen.
Oh, you're writing writing pad, sir.
I'm writing a writing pad.
Writing pad. He's connecting to a writing pad and then writing.
Yes. I have shown you writing pad. I have shown you writing pad. You have not seen writing pad. Okay, you people.
Sir, I want to see your face, sir. 1 second video on.
You have not seen my face.
Sir, show your writing pad, sir.
You have not seen my face also. Oh my God.
Yes, sir. I
Now
have seen
only I'm
your
seeing your
face,
face,
sir.
sir.
Now,
Yes, sir. Me too, sir. After a long time.
Yes, sir.
This is the
Wait,
first
wait.
time I'm seeing you, sir.
Sir, no, sir. I have seen you before, sir. Last year also, but I forgot your face. Now only I could see you again, sir.
Ali, how to pin the video?
Sir,
Sir, show your writing pad, sir.
Wait, spotlight. Wait, how to increase this one desktop size?
desktop size, sir. You can just pin your video, sir.
After
You
pin
just
is
go
not.
pin for, sir. There
remove
will be 3 dots near your video, sir. Click
3
pin,
dots.
sir. It will be pin for everyone.
Stop video, rename, remove pin, something given here.
Sir, that means you have already pinned, sir.
But it's not coming properly. Wait, I just.
Sir,
remove
you
it.
have
It's
pinned.
correct for us, sir.
Now correct. Yes. Now can you see now?
Sir, what's it, sir?
This is writing pad. This
So
is
in that
the
only you will write and then it will show in data, sir.
yeah. This is the USB wire. Can you see now? This is USB wire. Well,
Oh.
Show,
Okay,
show the other side, sir. Where you
and
Sir, when did you buy it, sir? How did you buy it, sir?
I purchased long back. Okay, not now. I purchased
So
long
how
back.
much
It
did
is
it
4 years
cost,
old.
sir?
This is cheap. It's eyeball company. You can see the eyeball company. Can you see now? Eyeball. Here,
Yes,
eye.
sir.
So how much did it cost, sir?
It is costing something 4,500. I purchased Chennai only. And this is the pen. Can you see the pen?
Sir, now right, sir, right.
But I have to show the board also. Well, I will show the board with. Now, can you see the board?
Yes.
Hello, can. So I'm writing
Yes,
here.
sir.
With the help of pen, see here.
Sir, what pen, sir? Stylus pen, sir.
Can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
Can you see now? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
sir.
There's one light also blinking, sir.
So, so in this way we can see this one. Okay, understood. In this
But it doesn't appear in the writing pad.
so
so
see here.
whatever you do in here,
It is a copy only. It is for copy only. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
Understood? So with the help of this figure something, anything, you can draw it, painting, anything, drawing, French writing, anything you can
Sir,
draw
but
it. You can also erase
How
also.
do you know, sir?
Understood?
But how
See-
do you know where you are writing, sir?
Oh, or you can put
After-
it if you go
after-
top,
Gave the
bottom,
stylus
anywhere.
along with the writing pad.
It is just a copy, no? In the copy, you can put a corner. This is like a mouse. My pen is just like a mouse. Okay, so you can keep any places. It is mouse only. You can go this side. Okay, you can go this anywhere. You can go it this page. Okay. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
It is mouse only. It's pen is
sir, I
mouse
think
only.
you have, sir. I think you have started growing your mustache, sir.
Okay. In the home, I will do. In the home, you do something.
Yes, sir. Because last year I didn't saw you like this, sir.
Oh,
Yes,
new
sir, you
getup.
do not have that mustache and beard.
Yes. A home something is that.
Sir, nice to see you, sir.
Okay. Nice to see me. Okay, let's some call is there. Okay, wait. Hello. Speaking. Who is that? No, not at all. Thank you.
Sir,
So have you
that
seen
bank, sir.
what happened?
That bank called you, sir. Some bank will call you.
These people are always disturbing.
Yes, sir.
Actually,
Some plus 9122. Then some Bajaj is calling, sir. We
yes.
get dial,
Sir,
sir.
if the number starts with 14, sir, it is a company call. Some company will call.
Yes. Number, no, they're using a personal number, no. So in that way, you can't see it. Oh, let us start here. Don't see it. We have to wind up this one. Okay. I want to start a new chapter. Now understood? You have seen that this all?
Yes, sir. Let's go to disadvantages.
Okay. With the help of writing pen, I can do this. It's easy one. Somebody is playing
Sir,
crackers.
you have mouse, sir?
This pen is mouse, na? The
Oh.
pen is the mouse. Okay, so with the help of this mouse, I am doing that. So I think you have copied all this thing.
Yes, sir.
Their elements are also classified as active elements placed in. You have to erase this one. Placed in. Actually, it's the writing is very thicker. Wait.
Yes, sir. The writing is very thick, sir.
Very thick.
Sir, but
That's
this
why.
is good only, sir, compared with that.
No,
See,
see.
sir. Sir, I don't like this, sir.
This is not nice, sir. You use the thicker one, sir.
Thicker one only.
Yes, sir. Thicker one only is very good, sir.
Okay.
Like that color only, sir. Very good and dark and will be very clear for us to copy, sir.
Okay. As your wish. Your wish is important.
Sir, your wish is my command.
Oh, your wish is like no. The things which is comfortable for you, that is more important. Okay. So the elements which are classified as active metals placed in group 1 and 2, and heavy metals are placed in which group? In group number 3 to 12, right? Very good. And now,
Active means light only, no,
Sir,
sir.
yes.
in Fiji Limited, sir.
Which is Fiji Limited?
Fiji LTD
No.
notebook.
This is my ID.
So heavy metals
Oh,
are only
there is no
transition
back,
metals,
sir.
no,
This
sir.
is my
Sir,
ID.
what is that Pankaj at Fiji LTD, sir?
Which Pankaj? Oh, this is I'm the employee now. That's why they can Pankaj. For everyone,
Oh.
they have given ID.
Sir, can you share that, sir?
This one I said, but I think you will get or not. I
No,
don't know.
sir, you didn't share, sir.
I said.
So you shared once, sir, but it wasn't.
It was
No,
a
sir,
structure.
it came
Like
for me,
that day,
sir.
the meeting got over.
No. I said, but somebody was not getting this one, so I removed.
Actually, I got most of the people got, sir, but
Sir, can you send,
some
sir,
people didn't
to
get,
my-
sir. All the 9
This
standards
one.
that they got.
Wait. So if you for sharing, you have to give your mail ID. If you
Yes, sir, I gave,
Sir,
sir.
can
You
you
can
send it to
copy
me,
paste.
sir?
you send in chat box, I'll just send it. You check it.
Sir,
Sir, even I
sir,
did
should I
not
tell
get
you now or should I
Wait.
send in
I'm
chat
just
box,
sending.
sir?
Wait, I'm just sending you. Okay, because this is a personal now. I think I have sent you.
Sir,
Okay.
even I sent my mail, sir. Can you send?
The link won't work for people outside your organization. See here, this is given here.
Oh, this is, I think, Fiji ID.
It's Fiji ID, na? That's why Fiji
Sir,
ID.
try mine, sir.
Wait, I is adding if possible. I will do that. I have no objection. Next
Sir, why
is-
are you adding him itself, sir?
Oh, but I copied this one. Oh, wait. This region I'm copying first.
I think it won't come for someone who is other than this batch, sir.
See, it's not work. See, I'm trying. See, Raman also trying. Wait. Copy and paste. See,
It won't come, sir. Waste of use.
then what can I do?
Maybe what we could do is in your thing you could make it as PDF and send in group. That's it.
Paste
Sir,
it.
chemistry test you removed here,
Sir, then you
sir.
change that option, sir. Sir,
Sir, this thing, no, sir. Can you move this
Sir,
to the this thing,
change
sir?
Wait. Yeah,
Anyone
specific
with the
people. Na.
link.
Wait.
Anyone with the link.
Anyone the link?
No,
Na.
sir,
Wait.
anyone with the link.
anyone with the link. Anyone with the
Okay.
link.
No, sir. Allow editing. You cancel, sir. Allow editing.
Yes, sir. Otherwise,
Okay.
people will start to edit, sir.
Now you can send to anyone. you
Okay.
want.
Yes. Next, anyone want to add? Mukundan also added. Wait.
Sir, I have sent in chat box, sir.
Wait. I just added.
Hey, yes, sir. Now it's coming, sir.
It's coming. Pakka.
Sir, if you send, it will come, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Deepak also.
press
Send it
send,
to my
sir. I
ID,
will try,
sir.
sir.
Wait. Those you are sending, I'm sending to everyone.
Yes, sir. Next round you send, sir.
If you're receiving, then I will send you. No, I have no objection.
Sir, I think it won't come because you. Okay, sir. Thank you.
I posted.
But I'm not able to open it in OneNote, sir. I can just view it, but I can't open it in OneNote.
No need to open and all. They send PDF. No, that is enough.
We come to even in our Gmail also.
I will say now. I posted